Okay. I think some of these are Mommy and Daddy's, and I think all of these are here. Oh, do you want to open the ones from Santa Claus first? I think these two are from Santa. Those two are from Santa Claus.
I want to see, what is it?
Let's see. See. I don't know.
No place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. No signs of summer.
What's in
Turn
there?
it over. Turn it over.
I see it. What is it?
Let it snow, let it snow.
Baby doll! Me.
Oh, Josie, hold her up. Hold her up.
All the way home.
Oh.
I wish I had this baby doll, and I did.
Now you have a baby doll.
You love me so.
Okay, let's see what's in this one. Let's see what's in this one.
This one is going to be so outside. This one's in the box too. I know what is this in this box.
You know?
Maybe the other piece.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Let's see what is it.
Oh, flip it over the other side. See. Oh. It's Beeps and Squeaky.
Say thank you, Santa.
Aww. Aww. Did you want them to cuddle with? Up on your bed? You got two little stuffed animal kitty cats. See, let's open this one.
This is mine.
Yeah.
This is a little one. It has to be involved again.
Yeah.
Mine, but I don't show things.
Okay, turn it on the side. Yep.
This side?
Uh-huh. Here, I can help.
I can do it.
Yeah, pull real hard. There you go.
I know what is it. What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
What is that?
Yeah.
What is it, Josie?
Help her get it out of the plastic. It's kind of.
See. Oh, it's in here. Let's see. How it's huge.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
It's really smelly.
It's a mask.
It's
So.
a mask. It's your own mask. You just put it on.
Oh, there's Carly. Look who's come up to say hi.
Comment. Want to see my dog?
Hi, Kermit. Okay, let's open them. These ones are gentle. These ones are gentle.
Those ones are neat. I'll open this one first. Need this one in the box too. Comment. Can I see you? Beef and sweet.
You want to see Beeps and Squeaky, Kermit?
He's so happy.
Oh, what's this?
It's tiny, right? It's a box right here. I don't know what is it. What's that?
Okay, open that other side.
Is that?
Yeah, that one. Where the tape this, just pull it.
What?
Go.
No, it isn't.
Ooh.
A grandma?
Yeah, you got your own. Oh, wow. Look at that. You get to take your own pictures.
Oh.
Oh, wow, Josie. Maybe we can take that over to James and Luke's house.
Yeah, then James will read them.
Okay, keep opening.
What's mine to do? Open that one? I know. Okay. I know. What is going on in this one? And this is the big one. The biggest one. Oh, what? Soft Mama.
Soft sheets.
Soft sheets, yeah.
Yay.
Did you ask for soft sheets from Santa? Did
Yeah,
you?
I did.
All right.
Yay. I asked her. Yay.
Yeah.
That's what we all want for Christmas. Soft sheets.
Soft sheets.
Okay, open these ones.
These ones are mine too.
Those are Daddy's, but you can help them. And this is Mommy's, and you can help me.
Okay.
Okay. Yay, soft sheets.
This is a red one too. That one's slow. Do that every day. What is it? What is it, Mommy? I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
What
I
is
know
it?
what that is.
What is it?
That's for putting all your art, your craft stuff. You know the craft stuff we have in this room? You get to, that's to keep your own stuff in. For crafts. There might be more stuff. Open this.
This is mine. This is mine. Those are Daddy's.
Yeah.
Those are my Daddy's. I mean, what is it? This is Daddy's too.
No, that's yours.
What is it? I don't know. What is it?
It's your very own flashlight set. What colors of flashlights do you have now?
I count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You get 4 flashlights. Neat. And these are something just for to hang out in your room, but we can't really, you can open the paper, but we can't hang them up until we get back.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't. It's in the box.
Yeah, they're in the, when you open them, they like open like this, Josie. You can't open them right now. They open like this, super long, and you hang them up on the wall. Don't pull. See the flowers? Okay, don't pull. You open them up. And these ones are like those. Those are flowers too. We get to hang up in your room. Pretty. You kind of see all the colors?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Now I got I don't light up. Light up this
Oh, pretty. We'll hang them up.
I hate them up.
I think there's one more thing in that bag.
And this one?
In that bag right there.
The bag, see, right there.
The red bag. The red bag. Look,
Right there.
right there.
This one?
Yeah.
This
It's
one,
just, yeah, I think that's part of something else. Oh, it's more, it's your pillowcases that go with your soft sheets. Yeah. Okay, you want to help Daddy open his? Oh wait, but you have something in your stocking.
I do.
Go get your stocking. It's over there.
I don't see it.
Yours is the red one.
Mine is a red one. Might see that? Please.
Yeah, let's see if it works. It might have to charge.
Might see it, please. It's beautiful, Mommy. I'm so loud.
We'll bring it over to James and Liz. Come on, go get your stocking. We gotta get going. Go get your stocking.
And I don't. I want to take it out. I want to take this.
Come on, Joe. Let's get your stocking.
Those off.
Let's get your stocking.
I don't take it
Come with the card.
Huh?
out. I want you to take these off, Mommy.
Okay, I'll get those off. You